Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe an aquatic animal, right? Any animal that lives in water, right? What it looks like, you'll talk about the physical features of the animal. When you saw it, the time in the past you saw that animal. Where you saw it, location, right? And explain why it is interesting, means why this animal is interesting, right? You will now have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes.
We have wild animals, domestic animals, and pet animals. Today, now I am talking about the animals which live in water.
Which lives in water.
Which lives in water. That is not a fish, but the physique is like a fish. I am talking about dolphin. Dolphin is very beautiful animals. First time I came to know about the dolphin was on National Geographic channels. And the dolphin are very peaceful and shy animals. It swim very fast, and the interesting thing about the dolphin is that the female dolphin is longer than male, and recently I saw a Hindi movie in which the hero is rescued by the dolphin, and he considered that the dolphin as his mother, and so when I watched that movie, I knew about the dolphin, that dolphin is very intelligent animals, and we can be trained easily. And
it can be trained
easily. Trained easily. So that's time I find the dolphin is very interesting.
Okay, overall it's good. So just keep it up like this, and you elaborated your points well. Just try to be a little more active and more energetic, and use a variety of words. Although there were some grammatical mistakes, but overall your cue card performance was good, and you spoke for 1 minute and 30 seconds, right? Now let's move on to speaking part 3. Why do people like to keep pets?
Well, people like to keep pets at their home because like dogs are very lovely animals, and provides unconditional loves to their master.
Yeah, they provide dogs provide unconditional love to their
masters, and also provide security. Some people keep pets at their home to teach their children about the responsibilities. And some persons who suffer from depression.
Some people who suffer from depression.
Doctor advised to keep pet.
Doctor advised them to keep pets. Okay, just try to overcome this. सांस नहीं लेना. Okay, एक सांस में बोलना है. Do you support doing experiments on animals?
I don't like.
I don't support doing experiments on animals
because animals are very innocent, and some scientists whenever prepared any medications, their first experiment on animals. Which I don't like, because animals and humans have not same structure and.
Okay, all right, that's fine. So just try to focus your fluency, number 1, and number 2, speak energetically, and number 3, when you express yourself, just stick to the topic and try to elaborate using new words or variety of words and variety of sentences, because at the moment you are communicating with basic sentences. So if you connect your ideas, they will become compound sentences. Compound sentences are better. At present I will rate you between 5.5 to 6. Right, not exactly 5.5 and not exactly 6, somewhere. I mean, if on exam day you performed well, it could be 6. If you performed badly, it could be 5.5. So let's make it 6 to be on the positive side, right? Thank you.